Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Tag, you're in.
What?
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
I saw it on TV once. Boss, I want to go there! What?
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
I'll find out where it's coming from! Someone...
To keep you waiting, sir. All aboard!
Hey, McQueen! Over here! Lewis!
Hey, man.
Jeff! Hey, Lightning! Can you believe...
Rogie was here and tried to find the treasure on his own. I think he was going to keep it to himself. So I...
This is going nowhere fast.
We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
You know, I'd love to see the rest of the town. So if you could just...
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Queen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
You won't talk me out of this, Mr. McQueen. I'm going back. I resign as your trainer.
All right.
I love this guy.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Segundo puesto encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este...
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. ¡Y fuera!
Let's go!
Machine Dragon Fireball!
at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're...
Like the attitude. Yeah, we call her our maestro of motivation.
You're driving a...
He's done!
Done? It's only been an hour.
Because I seen these two fellas doing some sort of karate street performance. It was nuts. One of them even had a flame.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but I...
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it. Oh.